Want a sewing machine that's big on features and low on price? Then look no further than Janome's MS5027 Limited Edition. At only $399, it's jam-packed with great features for all your creative sewing needs. There's a built-in needle threader, one-step buttonhole, a blanket stitch, even a hard cover. Plus, you get a bonus walking foot and quarter-inch seam foot. And with every machine sold, Janome will make a donation to breast cancer awareness. So remember pink and visit your nearest Janome retailer today for this strictly limited offer.